Good morning and welcome to Preschool Online. It's me, Mrs. Mozingo, and we're going to get started with our circle time. I'm so glad you are here and ready to do some activities with me. We're going to count, say our ABCs. Everybody loves doing that. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's look at the calendar, and it is the month of June, but today is the second day of June. All right, so we'll put that right there. And let's go ahead and figure out what day of the week it is. Are you ready to sing with me? Here we go. Days of the week, clap, clap. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Here we go. Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Let me hear that clapping. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Say it with me. And there's Monday, there's Tuesday, and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday, and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. All right, and today is Tuesday, June 2nd, 2020. 3 more days of school this week. All right, let's take a look at the weather. It is, what kind of weather outside? Well, I am actually sitting outside today, and it is cloudy with a little bit of sun. So I'm going to go ahead and put that right there. But what kind of weather do you think we're going to have tomorrow? Let's put it in our prediction square. Do you think it's going to be sunny? Oh, we predicted cloudy for today. We were very close. Do you think it's going to be sunny, partly sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, snowy? Well, we know it's not going to be snowy. What do we think? I heard somebody say cloudy. I'm going to go ahead and put cloudy right there in our prediction square. All right, let's say our alphabet together. Can we do it in a whisper voice this morning? Can you find your whisper voice? All right, are you ready? Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Ooh! All right. Let's use our regular voice and count to 15. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Woohoo! There's a lot of count this morning. We're counting backwards, so we're going to start quietly. Remember, here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, now louder. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off. Awesome job. Oh, let's look at these shapes. Who can tell me what shape this one is? It is a square. Good job. How about this one? It's a star. How about right here? What's this one? It is a rectangle. What color is my rectangle? Good. Black. What color is my square? Purple. And what color is my star? Yellow. All right, let's sing a song about shapes. Are you ready? Here we go. Here we go. After an ad, of course. Let's get rid of that. Shapes and solid shapes, we see them all the time. Now I will say a shape. I want you to say it too. We'll play the shape, name, game. That is what we like to Here we go. Circle. Circle. Square. Square. Triangle. Triangle. Rectangle. Rectangle. Oval. Oval. Diamond. Diamond. Heart. Heart. Star. Star. Sing it. Angles and lines, there are flat shapes and solid shapes. We see them all the time. I will say a shape. I want you to say it too. Shape, name, game. That is what we like to do. Here we go. What is it? Rhombus. And if we don't call it a rhombus, we call it a diamond. That's exactly right. Great job, friends. All right, let's go on to our colors. What color is disgust? She is green. How about the elephants? What color are they? Gray. And here's Celia Wheelia. What color is she? She is purple. And how about these yummy Oreos? What color are they? Black. Yes. Our nursery rhyme this week is Here We Go Round the Mulberry Bush. Let's go ahead and we'll pull that up.
Mulberry bush. Come on, guys. I'm so happy you're here.
Sorry, Mary. I tripped over your teddy bear. Mary, what happened here?
I guess I was having a little too much fun to clean up.
But cleaning up is fun. It is. If you add a dance. Come dance with us.
Here we go round the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush so early in the morning. This is the way we wash our clothes, wash our clothes, wash our clothes. This is the way we wash our clothes so early Monday morning. This is the way we wash our clothes so early Monday morning. This is the way we make our bed, make our bed, make our bed. This is the way we make our bed so early Tuesday morning. This is the way we pick up our toys, pick up our toys, pick up our toys. This is the way we pick up our toys so early Wednesday morning. We make our bed on Tuesday, we pick up our toys on Wednesday. This is the way we scrub the floor, scrub the floor, scrub the floor. This is the way we scrub the floor so early Thursday morning. This is the way we fold our clothes, fold our clothes, fold our clothes. This is the way we fold our clothes so early Friday morning. We scrub the floor on Thursday, we fold our clothes on Friday. This is the way we sweep the house, sweep the house, sweep the house. This is the way we sweep the house so early Saturday morning. This is the way we bake our bread, bake our bread, bake our bread. This is the way we bake our bread so early Sunday morning. We sweep the house on Saturday, we bake our bread on Sunday. Here we go round the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush, the mulberry bush. Here we go round the mulberry bush so early in the morning.
Ready for a treat?
So yummy. Wait, just a minute. There, all clean. Thanks for helping me clean up. It was fun.
Now let's eat. Which one do you guys want?
I kind of want to eat all of them.
All right. Well, that was silly. Now it's time for our letters. We worked on letter L and F. We've worked we worked on letter E, H, T. We've worked with the letter I, U, C, O, and Q. And now we're on the letter G. G says G, G, G for gumball, gorilla, girl, gum. Say it with me. Ready? His name's Gumball. Can you say it? Gumball. Hear that G? How about gorilla? Gorilla. What is this? Girl. And here we have gum. Excellent. All right. Let's sing about where we start our letters. Where do you start your letter? At the top? Where do you start your letters? At the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Start your letters at the top. Top. Where do you start your letters? At the top? Do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Going down. Oh, this is the bottom. Shake it. Reach up high. At the top. Let me get Oz. Here we go. Reach up. Way up. At the top. Yes, it's the top. Reach out and touch the top. Going down. Reach down. Way down. Is that the bottom? Yes, it's the bottom. And touch the bottom. Here we go. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. Shake it. Shake it. Your Oz. At the top. At the top. Better. Remember to start it at the top. Going down. No, it's the bottom. No, it's the middle. Great job, friends. All right. We are going to build our letter. And our letter this week is the letter G. So if you have your mat and your pieces, let's grab a magic C and 2 little lines. Are you ready? We're going to grab our magic C and put it on our mat. So there's our magic C. Remember, the magic C swallowed a little T, and that's how we make the letter G. So here is a little line down. Oop, not you. And a little line across the top. So we have our magic C, our big curve. We have our little line up, little line across. Ready? Let's make it together. Fingers at the top. And we say, big curve, little line up, little line across. All right, let's do it again. Ready? Fingers at the top. We say, big curve, little line up, little line across the top. What letter is that? It is the letter G. Good job. And what does G say? Do you remember? Let me hear it louder. G, g, g. Awesome. Great job, friends. All right, I hope you have a terrific Tuesday. And I will see you later for our Zoom. I can't wait to see everybody. Have a great day. We're going to do a little Disney bingo today. Woohoo! Bye, everyone. See you soon.